So these are my two dogs. They look nice and white and fluffy now, but whenever we go out into the forest or anywhere with anything muddy, they come back absolutely fucking filthy. Pardon my language. So we're going to build a ramp for them to get in and out of the car. This is my ute. Let's have a look. Okay, it is about 1,450 deep, and to make a ramp I think it's going to have to be about 2 meters. Let's have a look. They're quite old dogs, they're about 10 years old now, so I think enough of a gradient would be, let's see, about 2 meters, 2 meters long, which means that 2 meters will not fit into here, so I'm going to have to chop it in half and make some kind of hinge. Okay, so seeing as they were 1,400, it was 1,400 in the back of the ute, I have chopped these boards, just cheap pine boards from Bunnings. I've chopped them down to 1.2 meters. There we go. So what I'm going to do is have 2 of them hinged at one end, so they can open up like that. Boom. So let's drill it in. I've just got these standard hinges. I kind of wanted to get some square hinges. Two braces at either end. So I'm looking about, cut it at 300. Okay, so what I'm thinking is, this will be in the car, put it along, and it's going to be quite difficult to actually put it in and out, especially for my wife who's heavily pregnant. So I'm thinking, I flip it over, take off a little bit here, and attach some sexy wheels. That means it should be a lot easier to drag along the ground, and when you get to the lip it should fall down and swing away. So let's do that. Let's try it out. Good dog, Bella. Okay, Bella. Up. Up, come. Good dog. Up. Good dog. Good dog. Good dog. Okay, down.